Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change date of birth on Instagram. We start by opening our Instagram app and entering our profile. Next, we are going to click on the top drop-down menu and then on Settings and Privacy. Then we click on Account Center. After that, we will enter the Personal Details option and then date of birth. If you have associated profiles, keep in mind that changing the date will apply to everything. To continue, click on Edit. Now click on the current date and choose the new one. Then apply the changes with Set and Save options. Finally, we will save options with Confirm. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We will already have our modified date of birth. Keep in mind that you will not be able to change it often, and between changes you will have to wait days. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.